Who would like to start first?
So may I?
Okay, what is your topic?
12th class student has committed suicide.
So, how many witnesses do you want? You have to decide first.
Sir, I would like to I would like to go with Jahangir. Actually, I want a father of
Okay,
that girl.
okay. So, Jahangir is the father, yeah?
Yeah, Jahangir.
Okay.
If he wants.
Yes, yes, he can do definitely.
Yes, yes, I'm here, sir.
So, Jahangir is father, and do you also need a police officer?
No, no, no,
Okay, it
no
means
need.
you are the reporter and you will report about a girl who committed suicide, yeah?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, and you will uh, connect to the father of the girl. Fair enough.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so and TV anchor, who would be the TV anchor? I can be, but if anybody else wants to try, then you can try. Okay, let me become the TV anchor first, then other people can become. Okay, so the topic is that a 12th class
Has
student
committed suicide.
suicide. Okay, and this incident happened at which location? Delhi,
Sir, in no,
Lucknow,
no, in Lucknow.
Lucknow. Okay, fair enough. So I'm going to start. I'm the TV anchor. Yeah, hi, very good evening, everyone. My name is Chandan Singh from EWC News. Well, there is a breaking news coming from Lucknow that a 12th class student committed suicide. For the further detail, I'm going to connect with our correspondent, Mrs. Seema ji. Seema, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Chandan.
Yeah, so could you please
Sorry,
elaborate?
sir, मैं आपका
Yeah,
yeah.
chalega, chalega. Could you please
Okay, okay.
elaborate what the matter is?
Welcome to EWC News. I am Seema from reporting from Lucknow. A serious incident happened this morning. A 12th class student has committed suicide. The girl name was Payal. She is from XYZ school, scoring 60%, committed suicide. I am standing at the location right now. This is the building, as you see, it's behind me. The eighth floor of this building, she fell down. Here, the question arises that was she depressed? Didn't she have any emotional support from her family and school? So now we EWC are with her father. He can briefly, he can tell more aptly.
Okay,
So I come.
connect to the father.
Okay, okay. Hello.
Jahangir.
Here
Hello,
is
yeah,
here
yeah,
is.
yeah, hello, ma'am.
Hello, sir. What's your name?
My name is Jahangir.
So, are you okay?
Yes, ma'am, I'm completely okay, but not the physically or emotionally, but I'm really depressed. But why did it happen?
So, are you comfortable to talk to us?
Not really, but I have to talk about it because I want to save the more girl, and I don't want to the same happen with the other girl.
Achha, I don't
So I
want.
wanted to.
Achha, I don't want the same thing happened with other girls. Okay.
Yes, sir. I don't want the same thing with other girls. So I would like to elaborate all the things.
Okay, okay, okay. Sir, did you have any idea that she would do this?
I don't know
She would
why.
take that step.
Yeah, ma'am, go ahead.
No, but I want to ask from you that did you have any idea that she would do?
No, ma'am. Actually, I don't
Good
have
evening,
idea.
sir.
Good evening.
I don't have any idea because before it happened, uh, we were just having a conversation, and we were. She was very happy, and she was very curious to learn new things. But don't know what happened after a few minutes. After a few minutes, she did this. Don't know why.
No, no, I want to ask what happened
Actually,
when.
yeah. Actually, she went to terrace, and she
No,
was
no, no, no. I want to ask that what happened when she came to know about her marks.
okay. She was quite happy that she got satisfaction, or like she was get the quite enough the marks, and it was not about the marks. We were very happy that we don't have uh, any perspective, we don't have any objection about her marks, but don't know what's going on and what did happen after that.
Okay.
Okay, so Seema, do you
Did
think
she?
it is just because of marks or it is something else?
So it is just because of marks. She couldn't get any good marks as he pretended to be.
Okay, but father seems to have any other story. He think that something else was going on. You can ask if father knows about this.
Okay.
If Jahangir think that this is beyond marks, this is something else, maybe it's a love triangle, love story, anything else. If father has doubt, you can ask.
Sir, what happened, sir? Why did she commit suicide? What do you
as
think
i to-
about this?
as I told you that we don't have knowledge about it, but I can say one thing that she was very happy, and as far as the mask is concerned,
Yeah.
we don't have any objection, and don't know she was pretending to be happy or something else, but she was quite happy. Or I think that I can assume that, or we can say that there is another reason behind it, that she had committed suicide.
Sir, actually, it is being told that despite of working hard, she couldn't get good marks. So that's why
So
she committed suicide. It is being told.
from where did you get this news?
So from here and there, sir,
But as we are telling you
people are
that,
gossiping.
yeah, people's business is to say, but listen to us. We are quite happy. We were quite happy for that, for her, and we still quite happy for her marks or everything. She was a good child of us. Don't know what happened. Why she did that?
So maybe you don't have any idea about this. She wanted good
Um,
marks, but she couldn't get good
yeah.
marks. Maybe it's
Actually, actually, she was quite stubborn. She was quite stubborn for like getting something. If she wants something, then she just wants that thing. No matter what. Anyhow, she wants that. So actually, she wanted to study in abroad, but we can't afford that. Don't know. It can be reason behind it, but we are not sure about it.
okay. So so what should I tell now?
Now you have to do the closing. You have to say that जैसा कि आपने देखा कि father को कुछ और शक है, ऐसे करके
ठीक है तो
closing.
as you see that her father was not accepting the fact he is saying that uh, the reason behind committed suicide
Her committing suicide, yeah.
her committing suicide uh,
Could be going to abroad, eh? Yeah.
could be going to abroad.
Okay, fine,
So
fine.
she wanted to go abroad, but you were not allowing her. That was the matter.
Actually, as you know that the coronavirus has been going on, and all the people are surfing from, I mean,
Suffering from, eh?
suffering, yes, sir, suffering from financial problems. So as we are also doing suffering from financial problem, we are not able to survive, and I'm not able to run the house. So how could I afford the her study, like going abroad and studying over there? Obviously not, because I'm not able to run the house. Then how could I afford this?
So I can say that she has no emotional support from her family.
She
Is
did
that
not have.
so?
She
No,
did not have.
She
no,
she didn't
no,
have
no.
emotional support from her family.
No, actually not. This was not the reason. Actually, her. We were standing next to her the all time and all the while. As far as our knowledge is concerned, that she she was quite depressed. Don't know what's the reason behind it, but I can assume that she
So,
wanted to go
sir, was
abroad.
she depressed? Sir, was she depressed?
Yes, yes, because she wanted to study further, and
Okay,
as I had told you that I'm not able to afford.
okay, sir. Okay, sir. What should I tell next?
Yeah.
How to close this matter, sir?
Okay. So you can say that the reason of death is not clear. और फिर आप बोलो कि मैं सीमा विद कैमरा मैन, कोई कैमरा मैन पकड़ लेते हैं.
Okay, so as you see, the reason behind her committing suicide is not clear yet. Her father is saying something different, but we got to know a different story. I am Seema from EWC uh,
न्यूज़.
News with the cameraman
अजीत.
Ajit Singh.
Okay. Yeah, thank you Seema for your further details. So viewers, do not go anywhere. We'll be right back after a short commercial break.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, fine, it was very good. And you said one sentence, ask from. So whenever you use ask, don't say from. Like I want to ask you, don't say I want
Sir,
to
you are.
ask from you. It's not good.
Are you telling me, sir?
Yes, 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 I'm telling you.
Okay,
Yeah, so don't say
okay.
ask from. And you said
ठीक है.
despite of. So
हाँ.
despite, with the despite you can't use of. You can
Okay.
say in spite of is okay, but despite of
Oh,
is not okay.
okay.
So that
In
is wrong.
spite of.
Yeah,
Okay, sir. Okay.
and that's fine. And there was one sentence like floor she fell down, eighth floor something you said, na? Eighth floor she
Yeah.
fell down.
From eighth floor of this building, she fell down.
Then it is correct, no problem.
Okay.
Fair enough. So these are the issues. Otherwise, you spoke very well
Yes,
and
sir.
lovely, no problem.
Sir, how about me, sir?
Yeah, you spoke very well. At there was a time when you wanted to say about past, but you were saying present. Like
Actually,
we,
sir, I got
yeah.
confused. Suddenly, I
Hmm. So there were some points where past was required, but you were speaking present. So that was the only issue. Otherwise, it was okay.
thank
Fair
you,
enough.
sir.
Fair enough. So next candidate.
Can I try, sir?
Yes, sir. May I try?
Okay, okay, okay. So okay, there are so many guys. We have to complete. So Dinesh, go ahead. Dinesh, what is your topic?
So 5 lakh rupees has been stolen from the servant.
Okay. Do you want any witness?
सर एक्चुअली मैं सीनियर सिटीजन बनना चाहूंगा, तो जैसे कि मैं स्टोरी पूरी बताऊंगा, लेकिन इसमें जैसे रिपोर्टर जो वो बताएंगे कि हमें ऐसे मिला है, फिर वो वहाँ पे रिपोर्टर पहुंचेंगे, तो देन मैं स्टोरी क्रिएट करूंगा मतलब.
It means you are not the reporter. Yeah.
या आई एम द स्टोरी टेलर, मतलब आई विल
You are the
से.
witness. You are the witness only.
या
So from where was the 5 lakhs rupees stolen? Which place?
हैदराबाद.
I mean, from bank or from a senior citizen's house?
सीनियर सिटीजन हाउस.
Okay, so I think no one has thought of this story because this story was chosen by you. Anyone can anyone can do the reporting?
May I?
Yeah, you can do the reporting. Fine.
This is so. Story is the sir एक फैमिली होती है जिसके पैसे चोरी हो जाते हैं.
But see, this
नहीं
guy,
नहीं, मैं
the,
स्टोरी बताऊंगा आपको, सिर्फ रिपोर्टिंग करनी कि वहाँ जाके प्लेस पे कि हाँ क्या हुआ था आपके साथ, कि जो
okay,
5 लाख
so
चोरी
do
हुई
one
है ये
thing,
बताना.
do one thing, Jahangir. Be the reporter,
Yes, sir.
and you say that 5 lakh rupees has been stolen from a senior citizen house. I'm going to connect with the senior citizen in order to get the news.
या
Like this, you can
करेक्ट.
connect.
Okay, sir.
Sir, when my chance will come?
At last. Okay, so let's get started.
श्योर
Yes, sir.
सर.
Okay, and Seema ji, why don't you become TV anchor? You can play various characters.
TV anchor है,
Yeah,
ठीक
TV
है.
anchor. You are in the studio and you have to start like I am Seema from EWC News. There is a breaking news that 5 lakhs rupees has been stolen from a senior citizen's house. Like this.
Okay, so I will try, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Go ahead. Go ahead.
So you drive me, sir.
Okay. So 3, 2, 1, action. Come on. Start.
Uh, Welcome to EWC I am Seema from. Okay, just
Okay,
hold.
once again you
Okay,
can
okay.
start that. You can say, yeah, hi, my name is Seema from EWC News, like this.
Hi, my name is Seema. I am from EWC News. Uh,
There is a breaking
the
news.
bizarre.
Hmm.
There is a breaking news coming from
From.
Hyderabad.
Hmm.
Hyderabad. A 550 lakh rupees has stolen from a senior citizen house.
Has been stolen.
Has been stolen from a senior citizen's house.
So
So
now,
I'd like to connect my correspondent,
Jah-
Mr. Dinesh.
Jahangir,
Can
Jahangir,
you,
Jahangir is the
Jahangir?
correspondent. Hmm.
Uh, I'd like to I'd like to connect to my correspondent. Can you hear Jahangir?
Yes, ma'am. I'm here. I'm here.
I can hear
Okay.
you. As you can say,
Can
I
you
can
I
hear you.
I, I can hear you, ma'am.
can you elaborate the what the matter is?
So, Miss Seema, as you know that 50 lakh rupees, 50 lakh rupees has been stolen from the senior citizen house. So I'm going to connect with them and let us know what happened behind it.
Okay.
So Mr. Dinesh is the witness of this case. So Mr. Dinesh, could you please elaborate what did happen?
What did happen, मत
Actually,
बोलिए. What happened कहिए. Did मत लगाइए.
What happened, Mr. Dinesh? Could you please elaborate about the case?
yeah, sure. Actually, 5 lakhs rupees has been stolen from my house. Yes, yesterday night. Actually, I'm very shocked because I trust a lot of on them on him. Basically, the incident happened just because of actually there was requirement of a servant 6 months ago. So I published advertised in a newspapers of uh, uh, newspaper related to servant. So he visited my house to and they asked me you can you can uh, give me a job related to servant. So I accepted and he was working very well. I can trust I could trust on him. uh, so then the happened was I gave him some rupees 5 lakh rupees to deposit in my bank account, but so he said I can retain in my myself. So then I'll be deposit in bank account. But on that night he visited was he approached me with a glass of milk and he put it in some drugs of some the pills of some drugs and I drank and I did not get any idea related to this. So then I got up in morning. So he has vanished and he was not there. So I lost a complaint in police station. So now you have come to know the details of this.
So,
Uh,
Mr. Dinesh, there is one thing that we would like to know that what was
yeah,
his name?
Babulal.
Babulal. So, had you not been paying to him?
No, actually, I have some cash, so I asked him to deposit in bank account. So he said, I can easily trust because he's been working since last 6 months, so I can trust on him.
Actually, Mr. Dinesh, we are trying to ask you that had you been not giving him money or like payment? Why did he do that? When you were giving him money and when you were paying him, then why did he do that? What need had come?
Sorry, I did not get you.
Actually,
So sorry,
yeah,
sorry.
ma'am. No, no, ma'am. Go ahead.
No, no. You carry on. You carry.
Okay. So I wanted to ask you one thing that Mr. Dinesh, why
Yeah.
did he do that? When you were whether you either you were not paying him or he did it deliberately. Were you pay? Had you been paying him salary or not?
No, actually, I've already pay. Uh, I had pay. I had to pay. मतलब, I have paid uh, too much salary, like 20,000 a month. But as you know, if someone see lot of money in hand, so it definitely his mind will divert, and he can do. He will think about it badly intention. So that's why I think he did it.
You mean to say that he showed the cash, the big amount of the cash, and he became the greedy.
Actually, I handed over 5 lakh rupees to deposit in my bank account. So
Yeah,
he said I will deposit tomorrow. So no,
yeah.
he should deposit in that day. So I said okay, no issue. I can trust on you. You can deposit tomorrow, no issue. Then at, on that night he approached me with a glass of milk, and he put in some pills of नींद की गोली क्या कहेंगे सर?
Sedative. Sedative.
Sedative.
Sedative. Sedative.
Sedative, pills of sedative. So I drank it, and I had no idea what was going with me. So then I got up in the morning. He was not there, and my money was not there. So that's why I lodged a complaint in police station. So that was the.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
Mrs. Seema, as we know that all the things, so police are working on it, and I am Jahangir from EBC News with the cameraman Dinesh. Thank you for watching us.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Fine. 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 Seema ji, take the break.
So how
You can. You, first, you
how
have to say thank you to Jahangir. That thank you, Jahangir, for giving this further detail like this.
thank you Jahangir for giving the further details.
अब आप ब्रेक लीजिए कि व्यूअर्स कहीं मत जाइए, आते हैं ब्रेक के बाद.
Viewers, don't go anywhere. We will back after some time.
यस.
Sir, stay tuned. Sir,
हाँ,
stay
बोल
tuned.
सकते हैं, स्टे ट्यून कह
Okay,
सकते हैं.
okay.
फाइन फाइन फाइन, ठीक है. दिनेश ने येस्टरडे नाइट कहा वो लास्ट नाइट होना चाहिए, और सिंस लास्ट 6 मंथ कहा वो फॉर आता, फॉर लास्ट 6 मंथ, बाकी ठीक था. बाकी थोड़ा फंबल तो है ही. ओके.
हाँ जी सर.
हो जाएगा. इट टेक्स टाइम, इट्स नॉट अ चाइल्ड्स प्ले.
Sir, that you send this picture, not it describe.
ओके गाइस, बाकी न्यूज़ रिपोर्टिंग तो चल रही है. वो लोग जो सिर्फ पिक्चर डिस्क्राइब करेंगे उनको एक बार मैं पिक्चर समझा देता हूँ, तो बीच बीच में हम ये भी करते रहेंगे. सागरिका इज देयर, माधवी जी आर यू देयर?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो ये पिक्चर है. आप माधवी जी तो न्यूज़ रिपोर्टिंग भी कर सकती हैं, बट पिक्चर भी आप देख लीजिए. देर इज़ अ गाय नेम्ड समीर. समीर नाम का एक लड़का है. सुबह उठा, फ्रेश हुआ, तैयार हुआ और बाइक से कहीं जा रहा था. अचानक एक कार ने उसे हिट किया. वो गिर गया और कार वाले ने उसको पीटना शुरू कर दिया. कार ने ही हिट किया और कार वाले ने ही उसको पीटना शुरू कर दिया कि मेरे कार पे स्क्रैच आ गया. और फिर पीटने के बाद कार वाला वहाँ से जा रहा था, तभी समीर ने उसके गाड़ी के नंबर प्लेट का फ़ोटो क्लिक कर लिया. ये स्टोरी सागरिका आपने कहीं बोला है? ये स्टोरी नहीं ना?
नहीं नहीं नहीं
नहीं,
नहीं
sir.
नहीं
आज
पहले नहीं
ये
देखी.
सेकेंड डे है ना, आज ये सेकेंड डे है स्टोरी का.
Yes, sir.
तो उसने नंबर प्लेट का फ़ोटो क्लिक किया और समीर अपने दोस्त के घर गया. दोस्त को उसने सब कुछ नैरेट किया कि मेरे साथ ऐसा ऐसा हुआ. उसका दोस्त एक कंप्यूटर विज था, यानी कि कंप्यूटर में एक्सपर्ट था. उसने फटाफट उस नंबर प्लेट की डिटेल निकाली और गाड़ी, उसका एड्रेस पता चल गया कि वो गाड़ी कहाँ का है, किसका है, मतलब एड्रेस मालूम हो गया. फिर ये जो लड़का है, जो समीर है, वो एक गुंडे के पास गया. गून मतलब गुंडा. गुंडे के पास गया, उसने वो एड्रेस दिया, बोला कि इसको किडनैप करना है, मुझे इसको सबक सिखाना है. वो गुंडा पिस्टल लेकर उस एड्रेस पे गया, तो उस घर से वो जो कार वाला था वो बाहर निकला। अचानक उस गुंडे ने उसे किडनैप किया और उसे अपने अड्डे पर ले आया। अड्डा मतलब हाइड आउट। उसको बांध दिया और फिर पिस्टल दिखाया गुंडे ने, और समीर ने एक डंडे से उसकी बहुत पिटाई की, मतलब बदला ले लिया। तो ये थोड़ा सा टफ है, बट कोशिश आप करेंगे तो।
जी सर।
ऑन द स्पॉट अगर कोशिश करनी है तो करें, अगर आपको थोड़ा वक्त चाहिए तो जब तक मैं एक न्यूज़ रिपोर्टिंग फिनिश करता हूँ बता दीजिए। पहले सागरिका को बोलना है इस पे, और उसके बाद जो भी स्टोरी बोलना चाहे, जिनको भी लगता है वो स्टोरी बोलेंगे न्यूज़ रिपोर्टिंग नहीं कर पाएंगे, वो कर सकते हैं।
मैं बोलूँ स्टोरी?
हाँ प्लीज़ प्लीज़ गो अहेड।
अभी क्या न्यूज़ रिपोर्ट की बात कब?
अब जैसे अगर अभी आप बोल सकती हैं तो ठीक है, अगर थोड़ा वक्त चाहिए तो मैं न्यूज़ रिपोर्टिंग कंप्लीट कर सकता हूँ, इसीलिए मैंने स्टोरी बता दिया।
नहीं मैं बता, अच्छा ट्राई करती हूँ सर।
ओके 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 ट्राई
कल मैं नहीं थी, आज मैं ट्राई करती हूँ।
ठीक है।
Okay. Samir got up early in the morning. He went to the park and did his exercise. Then he got fresh up. He wanted to go out, so he got dressed. He took his bike, and while he riding a bike, he met with an accident. A car and his bike dashed with each other, and Samir fell down on the floor. Car owner came out of the car and he started beating Samir. Then car owner got to ran away, but Samir clicked the
ये
photo
ये
of
आवाज़ कहाँ से आ रही, किसी का ऑडियो?
अमोघ अमोघ
अमोक बंद
नोट
करो
कर
ऑडियो यार, इसको मैं हटा दूंगा, पक्का रिमूव करूंगा, मैं आज ही कर देता हूँ।
Samir clicked photo of the number plate, and he went to his friend's house, and he narrate all the incident what had happened with him. And his friend was very expert in computer, so he gave the number of that car, and his friend find out the full details of that car. Samir took this detail, and he went to a goon, and asked him, I want to this guy. Uh, he dashed me, and I want to. सर मुझे सबक सिखाना है.
टीच हिम अ लेसन.
हाँ, I want to teach him a lesson. So catch him and come in front of me. So that goon went to that car's owner's house and caught him, and he क्या है सर वो लास्ट का हाइड आउट
अड्डा अड्डा ठिकाना लोकेशन
अड्डा. अच्छा, Samir and that goon came there his hideout, and that time Samir badly beaten to that car's owner.
बीट का सेकंड फॉर्म बीट ही रहेगा, और बस एक ये प्रॉब्लम, और एक आपने फाइंड आउट कहा हो फाउंड आउट होता बस, और कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. करेक्ट, नो प्रॉब्लम, फाइन. हाँ बोलिए.
So can I speak?
यस 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 बोलिए.
May I sir?
चलो पहले
संजीव.
दीपिका पे. हाँ संजीव अगर
Yes sir.
इफ यू नो द स्टोरी प्लीज.
हाँ सर.
ठीक है.
I will try sir.
या गो अहेड.
Can I sir?
या यू कैन. उसके बाद दीपिका, फिर अजीत.
Okay. I would like to tell a story about Samir. He got up early in the morning, got fresh, and after that he got dressed. When he was going to office bike, suddenly a car hit on his bike and he fell down. After that, owner of the car came out from the car and started beating him. He was very scared that time, but he was uh, clicked some photo of the number plate of the car. After this incident, Samir went to his friend's house, and then he told everything to his friend and said that I want to take revenge of that car's owner. Then, after that, he gave the photo of number plate of car's owner to his friend, and his friend helped him to find out the car owner location. After that, Samir hired a goon to the address of the car owner and also gave some money to the goon for car's owner kidnapping. And the goon kidnapped the car owner and hide out in a secret place which was known to only Samir. And after some time, Samir went that secret place and beat car owner and took his revenge. That's it.
ओके आपने एक बार ऑफ हिज बाइक कहा था, तो ऑफ मतलब या तो बाय हिज बाइक, अपने बाइक से गया होगा, वो जा रहा था। एक था ही वाज,
On,
एक आपने बोला ही वाज क्लिक्ड फोटो, तो
I
वाज
said on his
अच्छा
bike,
तब सही है,
on his bike,
करेक्ट है।
going to office on his bike.
ओके एंड आपने बोला ही वाज क्लिक्ड फोटो, तो वाज नहीं आएगा, ही क्लिक्ड फोटो आएगा। और एक आपने टेक रिवेंज ऑफ लगाया था,
Okay, sir.
टेक रिवेंज ऑफ, तो रिवेंज में ऑफ नहीं आता है, रिवेंज में ऑन आता है। कई लोग फ्रॉम लगा देते हैं, बट फ्रॉम भी नहीं आता, ऑन आता है। ऐसे मैं राम से बदला लेना चाहता हूँ, आई वॉन्ट टू टेक रिवेंज ऑन राम आएगा, ना तो फ्रॉम आएगा ना ऑफ आएगा।
Okay, sir.
ये है, ठीक है, करेक्ट था। सो